na. Ayan.
Enjoy na. Ini kilo sisa.
Yun ang tapa. Merah. Aja. 2 hari berapa? 5 dah. Setengah. Setengah lah cuma. Ini seperti. Berapa? Ini apa?
This is cauliflower. Took 2. 6 ringgit. More vegetables. This was I think 3 for 2. And this was about 250 for I think it's about a kilo or so. Capsicum. This was 1 packet. 3 pieces for 3 ringgit. 2 for 6. Next, here I have daun soup. This was free. Tomatoes, 2 kilos for 5 ringgit. French beans, 3 ringgit for 1 packet. This is sweet potato. It was 7 or 8 ringgit a kilo. This is equal to about 4 or 5 ringgit. You can see the tomatoes really fresh. I think back in KL it's about 7 ringgit. It can even go up to 8 ringgit per kilo and it's not fresh at all. Everything was fresh. I wanted to buy everything she had, but yeah, we took 2 kilos. Anyways, there's also beetroot. Let me just remove this. We bought 1 beetroot. It was about, she said it was 8 ringgit a kilo. This was about 5 ringgit. So when we looked at it, it looked fresh, so we bought it.